Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MIT OpenCourseWare, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type ocw.mit.edu into the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the MIT OpenCourseWare website. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type your password into the password field. If you do not have an account, look for the Create Account option. Click on the Create Account link to start the registration process. Fill in the required fields, such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to read and accept any terms and conditions if prompted. After entering your information, click on the Register button to create your account. Once registered, return to the Login page. Now, enter your email and new password in the corresponding fields. Click the Login button to access your MIT OpenCourseWare dashboard. You are now logged in and can explore the available courses and resources. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. You can also click on the Forgot Password link if you need to reset your password. Follow the instructions provided to regain access to your account. Enjoy your learning experience on MIT OpenCourseWare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.